How to find extras, notifications, settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find extras, notifications, settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it, and now click this one. Here you will find the notifications, and scroll down until you find extras here. And as you see here, you can manage extras, notifications on Deezer mobile. Just manage anything you want and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.